Greetings, researchers and writers in English 1102. This is Professor Edelman checking in with you, saying hi, slightly past midterm. I am looking at your research proposals now and getting people feedback. Some of you have already received it, and the rest of you who have turned in your proposals will be getting feedback over the next few days. This is an important point in the term, and it does take me a little bit to get through them, but I should be caught up with everything that has been turned in by the weekend, and that will help you to continue in your projects. I know I warned you that the pace of this class is intense, and I'm sure you have recognized that by now, so congratulations on keeping up with it, getting your work turned in, and I've been enjoying seeing these projects develop and take shape. I think you've all found some really interesting sources for your work, and now the hard part is pulling these together into a kind of coherent argument and a thesis. So this is a big moment of the class, and hang in there, keep it up. And I also want to say that I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy as we open up and begin to engage in more activities. You can probably hear my neighbor's children really enjoying being outside in the background here. So I hope you're also able to enjoy being outside and enjoying the summer weather, but staying safe. And finally, I am always available via email. I have my office hours in Zoom, and I am happy to schedule a session with anybody who would like to meet outside of that hour on Wednesday. So just send me an email if you'd like to set something up, and I will send you a Zoom link. So hope everybody's well. I look forward to reading more of your work, and stay safe. Bye.